How to fix Windows error 127 when installing iTunes on Windows. Here are some tips that would help fix Windows error 127 when installing iTunes on Windows. 1. Remove existing iTunes and Apple-related programs, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, then reinstall the app later. iTunes, QuickTime, Apple Software Update, Bonjour, Apple Mobile Device Support, Apple Application Support. Reboot your PC and download the latest version of iTunes on your PC. 2. Update current Microsoft Net framework to the newest one.